In this video, you'll learn how to export HTML code from a site built in Canva using your web browser. To begin, choose the website template you want from Canva's Templates panel. This allows you to use the right design. Now, publish your site by clicking the Publish Website button at the top right, and then select Continue to Publish in the settings. Finish by clicking the purple Publish button to make your website live. Once published, open your live website using the View Your Website link in Canva. This will open the site in your browser. When your site is open, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Save As from the browser menu. This allows you to download the HTML file. Now, confirm the download by clicking Save in the Save As dialog. Your website's HTML will be saved to your computer. Next, open the Downloads pop-up in your browser and click the folder icon to find your saved file. Finally, select the downloaded HTML file in your File Explorer to access your Canva site's exported code. You've now exported your Canva website's HTML. That's all for this tutorial.